Good morning, everyone. We continue to have isolated flash flood issues here overnight. In case you're just waking up, a couple of the areas of the Ozarks got pounded locally with some pretty heavy rain. First of all, let's take a look at the current radar loop, and it does indicate that all that rain now is shifted into northern Arkansas practically. Maybe parts of southern Howell County and Oregon County might see a heavy downpour. And you can see the history of the flash flood warnings. Those are the lime green outlined areas. They were more prevalent and then been allowed to expire as the rain has moved on. Let's turn the radar off and take a look at that flooding situation here. We'll go back to the very beginning, and initially the places that were impacted the most were along this corridor here from extreme northwest Greene County, southern Polk, up to around the Conway area. That's where some heavy rain fell overnight. We had some water rescues. Conway had some houses evacuated, and I-44 there was closed for a while. And then we had additional flash flood concerns in this part of the world here over in Howell, Texas, Shannon counties. I can show you the radar estimate of rainfall, and it's pegging, maybe a 3-inch total there near Conway here this morning, and similar totals and perhaps a little bit more in northern portions of Howell County. But as you saw, the rain has all moved on now. Is it going to happen again? I think the emphasis is still going to be to the south, and then increasingly we kind of find ourselves in a pattern where the rain's kind of away from Missouri, but not completely leaving the area. This is the 3-day projection. Not as high as some of these projections we've had in the past, but still notable, especially locally again. 69 degrees this morning at 8 a.m. in Springfield, 68 in West Plains, as warm as 72 down in Fayetteville. I'm expecting a high of 82 degrees today, another below normal day, one of a run that has continued since about the 26th of July, and all of August has been below normal, and I think it's going to be the same way. In fact, we have highs only in the 70s and lows in the 60s, maybe cooler by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.